And that is on one hand the installation, obviously, and that's not so difficult because it's an application that you just install and configure, and people know how to do that. Like, we are experienced in that. We can teach you how to do that. But there's a few choices to be made, like your operating system, which is Linux or server in this Windows Server in this case. Do you want it on-prem or cloud-based? Where do you want it? I think all of these decisions are typically driven by what you already use. So if you have an IT team that supports many Linux servers on AWS, well, that's going to be your choice for Tableau probably. But there might be reasons why you differ. Some data source requirements that are specific to a platform because a driver is not available for Windows or for Linux or vice versa, etc. All of that can drive that choice, but that's your responsibility as being responsible for the maintenance and installation. And so is network and specifications. Tableau Online is just online on the internet and you can access it. Here you need to make sure that your network, be it on-prem or in your VPC, is all set up to support that.